Hello? Dr. Earnhardt?
Hey, it's Daisy. I borrowed the doctor's phone. How's the search going?
I'm getting closer. How are you?
Good. The doctor moved me to this cave under his house. It's safer since the pirates come to buy from him all the time. But get this, I found something down here. You have to see it.
Okay. I'll meet you there later. Hopefully with our friends.
Great. Bye.
Shut up, bitch. I'm the man here. This island and everyone on it can burn in hell. It burned a mother when I hit. Could have used the rubber. Shit! Oh my god! Where the fuck did he go? Get a grip. You're just looking. Nothing here. Must be some rebels screwing with us. Aha! Reach back and off his shooting, I see. Sound the alarm. Your man will get there. What's up with the alarm? Over here! Now! I got no clear shot! Your man! Get head! Where's that shithead? You're going down! See how you like this? Ah! I'm moving! You're dead! Here comes the boom! Where the fuck did he go? Where did he die? I better get... Oh my god! Fuck! Oh my god! Shit! Like this! Fuck up! Oh my god! Nothing! Are you kidding me? Hey! Let's see what you got, Bushy!
Ransom videos being shot.
Find whatever the boss! Get a grip. You're just looking. I'm moving! Find him out of the cave! Fuck me! Oh! I'm on! He disappeared! Cut, fucker! Oh my god! I'm moving! Anyone see where he goes? Anyone! Search the area! Keep your eyes open!
Lisa, I'm coming!
All clear for now. Probably rebels messing with our heads. He's heading for the prison! They don't pay me enough. Nothing! Are you kidding me? He disappeared! There he is! You're a dead man! You hear me? I can't believe you got me.
Lisa.
Stop me, motherfucker!
Holy shit.
Stop me!
Fuck you.
I'm coming, Lisa! It's a video. She's not here.
Please. I want you to say Mom, Dad.
Boss! Where are you?
Who gave you that ink? Hmm? I ask you a question. Who gave you that ink? Hmm? Citra gave you that ink? My sister gave you that ink? Huh? You think that makes you one of us? You think that makes you like me? Huh? California boy's got a hard on for jungle fever. I'm gonna drive a bullet through my sister's skull like I did your brother Grant.
Fuck you.
You are angry, Jason. You are angry. Okay, I get that. I get it. I mean, without family, who the fuck are we? There was a time where I'd do anything for my sister. You know, first time I ever killed was for my sister. That was not enough for her. No, please. You see, the thing about our loved ones, right? Our fucking loved ones! They come and they blindside you every fucking time. So they say to me, they say, Boss, who the fuck is it going to be? Them or me? Me or them? like, you know, like they fucking think that I need to make a fucking choice. By the way, this lighter really sucks. You know, so much for poetics. It's really too bad that Citra had to ink you up. Because now the only way to kill you is to erase you completely. Shh. It's okay. Don't cry. It's okay. Jason, I swear to God, man, it's truly beautiful that you are willing to die for the one you love.
Please, I'm coming! I'm on my way! I gotta shoot the pipes! There's fire everywhere!
Jason! Where are you?
Oh no, this place is coming down! I gotta shoot the pipes! fire everywhere! Lisa! I can see the door! I'm coming!
Help! Jason!
Don't worry! Not that one! Definitely not that one! I can't take any more of this heat! Shit!
Help! Jason!
Stay calm, Lisa! I'm coming! Don't worry! I'm here!
Oh my god!
Stay still!
They took Oliver! They took Oliver!
Can't do anything about him now! Okay, go! I have an idea!
Oh no, I can't do this!
It's the only way down! Come on!
Oh my god!
Are you okay?
I think so.
Over there! That truck!
He's out in the open! Going after him! Take out the vehicle!
Lisa, you drive!
What?
Drive!
Okay.
Aim for the gas tank!
Damn it, it won't start. Let's go, Jason! We gotta get out of here!
Did you see that explosion?
What? Something exploded! What's going on back there?
Traffic control!
I can't do this! No, how am I supposed to handle this?
You're doing fine!
They're shooting at us! What are you doing? You're shooting at the Jason!
Don't jerk the wheel!
You're not helping!
Drive straight! You're making me miss!
How can I focus with them shooting at me?
Hands at 10 and 2! 10 and 2!
You wanna drive? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Faster! Faster!
We're off-road, I can't!
Says who? The cops? Why did you turn off the truck?
No! It died!
Tickle the key! To press the pedal!
I don't... What does that even mean?
Lisa!
They're in front of us! Jason, in front!
Uncle!
Let's see what you got, pussy!
Serpentine! Serpentine!
What?
Ow! Drop the bastard!
We're losing them!
I'm gonna throw up.
Faster, faster! Hell yeah. Those motherfuckers never knew what hit them. We did it!
You think almost being killed or sold into slavery is fun?
Hey, Lisa, calm down.
This is a nightmare.
Okay, listen, I'm fixing this. Do you know where the pirates took the
They
others?
took Oliver to some place called the Bunker. I'm not sure about Keith or Daisy.
What about Riley?
I don't know anything about Riley or Grant.
Grant's dead.
Oh, Jason. I'm so sorry.
But I found Daisy. I'll find the others.
Where is she?
A safe place. I'll take you there. Daisy told me she's in a cave under the house.